Hello guys, welcome back to Get Tech Interior. Thank you for the continuous support that you are still bringing toward this channel. We are road to 2,500 subscribers. If you are a new subscriber, kindly make sure you have subscribed to this YouTube channel. And then if you are continuing subscriber, I will appreciate you so much. So over behind me here, we have got this 2-bedroom house that you see over here. It has got 2-bedroom house, a sitting room and its kitchen, and then master bedroom is an ensuite. So I'm going to give you a house tour. We have done the electrical installation in terms of interior designing. We have done the electrical designing part, but even though it's not yet complete, but I'm going to give you a house tour. This is one of the most cheapest affordable house that ones can go with it, particularly for a low budget or someone who is admiring to have his own house. So I'm going to give you a house tour, and then as you can contact me for more information. And then for exterior part, you can see the types of paints that we went with is something that is so very unique, something so smart. Like you can see, we had gone with just one color at the two colors at the exterior part. Like you can see, we didn't just went with the let's say like with the so many colors. And then even that house, if you are if you are my continuous subscriber, you will see we had done this house almost 2 years ago. But our client called us back, and then he told me that he wants another particularly 2-bedroom house over here. So if you want that particular house tour for that house, I will give you. You can just call me, and then I will give you the house tour of that particular house. So I'm going to let you inside. So over here we always go with this particular round staircase that you can see over here, so as to give it something very unique. So tomorrow our tile man will come and then do his finishes the tiling over there. And then this is the molding work that we had done over this. Like you can see, it's something that is done. You can comment, you can see it's something that is done with a professional molder. If you want maybe these services, we can we can give back to you, or you can contact our number. Then our security light is just working, so as to whoever will be coming from that particular the main gate, he can see whoever will be using. And then here we are on this corridor. Like you can see, we have done this beautiful installation of this full moon over here. And then those let's say we had done this ceiling. We didn't went with gypsum, we went with the ceiling. But you can see we have not yet done, even though let's say in terms of painting we have not yet done. I think in the meantime we'll come and then we'll do it. And then this is the exterior part of our window, which is this one is for the sitting room. So here we have got this steel double door that is over here, that will come you towards this amazing 2-bedroom house. Like you can see, so this is the corridor. It has the shortest corridor ever. Like you can see, this is the corridor of which is just particular over there. And then here we have got this is the first bedroom, and then there we have got a master bedroom, and then at the end there we have got a kitchen with a door. And then on my left hand we have got this amazing sitting room, of which you can see here it will come in with this particular molding work. Like you can see over here, even though I've told you the painting work we have not yet done. So here we have this sitting room, of which it's so spacious in terms of let's say measurements. It is over 20 by 18, so as to give a spacious living room, like you can see on this particular house. And then here we have got these we have got this chandelier that we have installed over this particular house. So you can see we have done the interior part in terms of electrical designing. We have done everything. Particularly on this sitting room. Everything is completed. And then here we have got these 2 sockets. So the first one is just there, and the second one is just over here. So one is for TV antenna, and then the other one will be, let's say, like for DSTV, and the other one will be for TV. You have got every provision for the sockets in terms of even air condition. We have got this double DP switch that we have installed it over there. And then in terms of window, you can see we have got this window of which is of 5x4 5x4 in measurement, so as to allow the natural lights that will be entering on this particular sitting room. And then this is the corridor. So this corridor is just a bit really short. Like you can see, we have installed here these let's say these hanging doors that is over is only just single to have, let's say, that beautification for this particular corridor. So this is the shortest corridor, so as to save this house in terms of designing. And then here, this is our first bedroom. Like you can see, it's 17 by 17. We always advise our client to go with let's say 17 by 17, because that let's say in terms of space, the 17 by 17 is something that is so huge. It gives you enough space to do your, let's say to have, let's say in terms of beds, you can place, let's say, even 3 beds on this particular place. And then it has got 2 windows. The first one is just there, and the second one is just there. In terms of grill, like you can see, we have done it so well designed with this so as to fit this particularly 2-bedroom house. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly make sure you have subscribed, like, share and comment. And then here, this is a beautiful arc that was put over here, so as to give that beautification that whoever will be using this master bedroom and the one will be using this kitchen to have at least something that is so unique. And then here we have got this like as this is like as a partition, but we can call it a small corridor, so as to have that separation of this kitchen and this master bedroom. So here I'm going to give you let's say this for the kitchen. So as you can enter, you'll have this over here, and then this is our store. Like you can see over here, it's just quite big, and then here this storage, we had planned for something, but initially we scrap it off. We wanted it to be a public toilet, but to be a public toilet, but the owner suggested to have here a store. That's why we went to have this particular wall over here, so as to have this to be, let's say, a kitchen. Also, this is the kitchen. Like you can see, it's something that is so, it has got a space, is so spacious in terms of measurement. You have some at a later stage we'll come and place here the high level, and then we'll come and place here the low level over there. And then here we have got this running water. Like you can see that we have done plumbing work for this particular house. And then this is the window that will be used on this particular house. And then here, this is our cooker unit that will later, let's say, whoever will be using can fit here is our own cooker, and then we'll have a provision for the, let's say, for his cooker. And then this is the light that we have installed on this particular kitchen. So I'm going to let you towards this is our master bedroom. Our master bedroom is of 18 by 18, so as to give it something that is let's say a bit spacious. Like you can see, it's something that is so spacious in terms of measurement. You have enough space. Like you can see, I'm still moving on this particular, let's say, on this particular house. So from there up to there, like you can see, it's something that is so spacious. And then here we have got these windows. So this one is the first one, and the second one is just over here. We always want a window to be so much big, so as to allow the natural light and the free air circulation on each and every part of our rooms. And then in terms of ceiling, in terms of electrical, we have done the electrical part. Like you can see, this is the chandelier that our client suggested, and then we have to order it. Like you can see, we have installed it, something so unique, something that is so presentable. If, let's say, if you are, maybe you want this particular house, if you call us, we can give you a free house tour. You can call us, you can have a free site visit, and then you can see how the, let's say, the beautification or the measurement, the house plan, how is it. So you can call us through 0746289667, and then we'll have a free visit on this particular site, even though we have not yet completed. So this is our ceiling. We have installed a centerpiece. We have installed our fan that is over there. We have installed our downlights. We have installed our snake light. And then here we have got this now our toilet that makes this 2-bedroom to be a 2-bedroom with an ensuite toilet. Ensuite. So this is the ensuite. This is the toilet. Like you can see, is something that is so accommodative, particularly on this 2-bedroom house. So we have got it. Let's say this is the sink. Like you can see, the water is running, and then we have got this mirror that is over there, and then we have got this toilet like over here, and then we have got this Arabic shower that is over there, and then we have installed our, let's say, this shower. Like you can see, this is the shower. Like you can see, it's operating over there, and then we always even have a tap at below there. And then in terms of tiles, we go with this beautiful tiles. You can see it's of let's say you can see it's just 2.5 tiles. So this is 1, 2, 3, so as to have something that is so presentable, like you can see on this video. So guys, I think up to there, I will appreciate you so much, our loyal viewer, our new subscribers, for the continuous support that we are giving towards this channel. So make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. For more information, you can call us. Our number, it's 0746289667.